Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Welcome to my class. This is Mahim Sultana with you, Assistant Teacher, Government Laboratory High School, Rajshahi. And you are my lovely learners of class 6. And now we are in English second paper class. This is our English second paper class. So I hope you all are well in this difficult situation because we are passing through a very critical situation for COVID-19. Okay, let's start our today's class. What is his name? I think you all know him very well and he is very favorite to you. Yes, he is Shakib Al Hasan. Can you make sentence with this naming word? Yes, I know you can. Now, what can you see in the picture? What is the name of this thing? The first one was a person and this is a thing. This is the bat. Can you make sentence with this naming word? So, Shakib Al Hasan is a cricket player. He plays with the bat. So, what I am trying to make you understand that the naming words in a sentence are called nouns. The naming words in a sentence are called nouns. So, the name of anything or any name in a sentence are called noun. Now, can you tell the names of the persons? Yes, the first one is Begum Rokeya and the second one Kazi Nazrul Islam. They are very famous in their fields and they are very eminent, so we all know them. Now, can you make sentences with these naming words? Because I told you before that the name of anything, any person, any tools or any animals, anything maybe is called noun. Let us make sentences with these two naming words. First, Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya is a very famous lady and Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Here is written Begum Rokeya is a social worker and writer. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our famous poet. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Okay, now can you tell the name of this thing? Yes, everyone can. This is a rose. Can you make sentence with this naming word? Our today's discussion is naming word or noun. So, all the discussion will be on noun and rose is also a thing. Rose is also a naming word because it is the name of a flower. Okay, now make a sentence with rose. I know you can do it. And can you tell the name of this thing? Yes, of course. This is a leaf. And can you make sentence with this naming word? I know you can. This may be rose is a beautiful flower and leaf is a part of a tree, isn't it? Can you get my point? Am I clear to you? Okay. Can you tell the name of this animal? This is an elephant. Can you make sentence with this naming word? These all are naming words. So make sentence with elephant. Elephant is a very big animal. Now you can tell the name of the building. Can you tell the name of the building? I know you can because this is a very famous place. Shat Gambuz Mosque. Can you make sentence with this naming word? I know you can. Shat Gambuz Mosque is a very famous mosque. Now, can you tell the names of their professions? Teacher, police. Can you make sentences with these naming words? Yes, I know you can. Teacher is teaching in the classroom and the policemen are doing their duty. Now, can you match the names of the quality, action or state? This is already done. This is happiness, and what will be the another? Let us see. Yes, this is punishment. So, this is also naming word. Happiness, punishment. Can you make sentences with these naming words? I know you can. Now, look at the sentences and underlined words. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Here, Kazi Nazrul Islam is naming word, that is noun, and poet is also another kind of noun. The leaf is green. Leaf is a noun. The elephant is a big animal. Here elephant is a noun and animal is also a kind of noun. People like to visit Shat Gambuz Mosque. This is also a name, so this is also noun. The teacher is teaching. Here teacher is noun. Happiness keeps us healthy. Happiness is noun. So, the name of any person, place, thing, idea, quality or state in a sentence is called noun. The name of any person, place, thing, idea, quality or state in a sentence is called noun. Am I clear to you? I hope so. Now this is a work for you. Make it individual. I mean do it individually. Read the following passage and find out the nouns from it. Let us see the answers. Onik Islam, Tongi, student, school, Mojida Government High School, singer, song. So these all are nouns. In this passage, these all are nouns. Now this is another work for you. Do it individually. This is a picture you can see, and find out at least 5 naming words from the picture and make sentences with those nouns. Find out at least 5 nouns from the picture and make sentences with them. Now answer the following questions. What is noun? The name of anything or any naming word is called noun. The word may be the name of any person, the name of any animal, the name of anything, any rose, any city, that means any place, any feelings, maybe happiness or sorrow. Okay. So the name of anything is called noun. And find out at least 5 nouns from your classroom and make sentences with those nouns. Now you can find out at least 5 nouns from your classroom and make 5 sentences with those nouns. This is very easy and I know you can do it. And here is a homework for you. Look at your surroundings at home and write at least of 10 nouns and make sentences with those nouns. Okay. This is your homework, and give me the answers in the next class. I'll listen to you the answers in the next class. And now our today's class is over. We are at the end of our today's lesson, our today's discussion. Hope you all enjoyed and understood today's subject matter. Noun. This was our today's subject of learning. Thanks to all everybody. Stay good, stay fine, stay safe, and keep practice your lessons, regular attend our classes. Thanks to all.